what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Hello guys, welcome back to our video. Today I'm cooking on the grill. I just sit here thinking, I said the last time I cooked on the grill, I hadn't cooked on the grill for you guys in a while, so I decided to put a little something on the grill. I got some chicken legs and chicken thighs, and I got some corn on the cob. I got some cabbage, and I also got some turkey hamburgers that I'll be cooking on the grill today. As soon as the fire get hot back there, you see the smoke in the background back there. And I also got some squash. These squash here we just picked out of our garden. And let me show you what I'm cooking. And here go my, you see it? The chicken right there. So putting this on them bad boys on the grill. As soon as this grill get hot enough, let's see what the temperature. Oh yeah, it's getting that medium temperature now. Ooh. Yeah, it's getting there. There goes simmer. Let me show you these. There goes the cabbage. Turn this camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. And these are the corn. That's the squash. Those came from the garden. And these are the cabbage. Oh yeah. Now I also have some potatoes right here. And we just harvested these potatoes out the garden also. Where you at? Here they go, right here. And we also gonna be putting these on the grill. They already wrapped up. Seasoned good. So there you have it. We're gonna start off. Gonna put these vegetables on the grill first, and the corn. Still got the bad boys on there. So if you watch this video and you hadn't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe, turn on that notification button, share with your families and friends. And please, I'll show it to you in a few minutes when it's get halfway done. I'll see you in a little while. What I have here, fam, is lemonade icy. Made it myself. You get you some that frozen lemonade, some ice, and put it in your blender. Just blend it all together. Throw your little lemon juice or orange juice in it. Voila. That's what you got right there. Now let me go right here and check on it. And we're gonna go back here together and see what's done. Still good, smoking good, and this right here is my lemon juice is medical water. Oh yeah, it's cooking up good. Getting that golden color to it.
It was all a big mistake. Never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends. I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and
Y'all know what, fam? It's hot out here today. I said the temperature gonna be about 82. I think it got at least be at about 90. What y'all doing this nice hot day? I think the weather gonna get in the holidays. It's gonna get cool down. We still got a good smoke going on back there. Yeah, it's right here. Really cool y'all. Got someone laying back there in the shade up on the tree. I don't know what y'all can see or not. Sure. Yeah.
So you're posting on the gram. I
even by house back
try to call your fam.
Your brain freeze too.
Just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you just pick up your
there she
phone.
go.
Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline.
Oh yeah, it's getting there.
Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? When you get dressed, I'm like a mess. And you tell me to confess. And you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Raising light, see it all bright. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too
Yeah, it's getting there,
soon to
folks.
say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. Like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Oh, like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, can save us, can save us. Oh, nothing you do, oh, nothing you do can save us, can save us. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without me. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. When I'm with you, I feel like I'm inside a rainbow. The days are dull and gray all the time when you're away.
Okay, guys, we're gonna check on this one more time. Let's check on the see how our food is doing right now. Oh wow. Let's come along. This is great. Ooh, you can smell the cabbage cooking. You can smell the chicken. Corn seems like it's doing pretty good. So what do you guys think? Think you're ready to come up, or should I let it cook just a little bit longer? Yeah, I think a little bit longer wouldn't hurt. Some of them look like they're done, some of them look like kind of not done. So let it cook a little bit longer. Alright, flip it over one time. Two times. Hey.
But that's what I feel. It's almost unreal. Each and every time we kiss, and I keep getting lost. Just to give you something to find. First there was nothing, then there was something.
sing this song. Don't let the sun go down. I think it was either George Michael or Elton John, one of them. I think they sung a long time ago for Prince down. Don't let the sun go down on me. Look at that, y'all. Ooh, that's about done. Let's take them out. Take them out. The cabbage. Oh yeah. Potatoes right here. Give my 10 more minutes, then I'll be taking the chicken and the carrots off. I think they about done. Let the corn and the corn and potato step there a little bit longer. Right now, this corn and potato stay up there for a while. Well, guys, these burgers are like they done to me. So what do y'all think? Yeah, this corn is done. Potato is done. They pretty soft. So I'm gonna take this off, and we're gonna call it a day. These are the turkey burgers. Yeah, they about done.
Summer days they go shorter with every hour, every minute of every day. Couldn't sleep.
So there we have it, guys. This is it for today. Those spicy chicken and turkey burgers. And over here, we have our potatoes, cabbage, and corn. And we're gonna call it a day. So fam, if you see this video and you like this video, don't forget to give us that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you hadn't already subscribed. Even if you had already subscribed, go back and check and see that your subscriber hadn't been taken down and put it back up again. So we're gonna call it a day. So yeah, y'all have a blessed day. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your families and friends. And where we at? There we go. We're gonna call it a day because it is hot out here. Alright, bye. So see y'all in the next video. Bye bye. God bless.